Hello everyone, my name is Grace. The best and the worst thing in the world. The best and the worst thing in the world. The king of the world is very old. He wants to choose a new king. He asks all the young men to give him a present. Give me best thing in the world, he says. Arula is an intelligent young man. The other man to give a best thing present. But Arula gave king a tongue. A tongue can say good thing to people and the man land happy, says Arula. The king is very happy. Now, bring me one thing in the world, he says to the young man. They bring trash, spider, and that smell bad. But Arula gave king a tongue. Why do you bring me another tongue? Asked the king. A tongue can say bad thing to people and the man then said. Arula answers. The king is really happy. The king chooses Arula to be a new king because he is wise. Thank you everyone.